Well, my friends, I can't keep them all, so I'm thinking about letting this case DC move along to its next owner. As you probably remember from the video series we did on it, this thing runs pretty darn well. It's plenty heavy enough. It charges a battery. It has good oil pressure. The lights even work. The tires are okay. It's just a little aesthetically rough, you know, and it does have some other things that could be fixed on it here and there. I've been started it for about 6 months. So this will be a cold start. It's 42 degrees or something right now. So let's get it running, get it warm again, and I'll let you guys see it out in the sunlight and also hear how it sounds at different RPMs.